Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Screen Time to manage downtime settings. Find Downtime inside App Limits and Always Allowed sections. You need the Screen Time passcode or the Family Organizer access to proceed. If you forgot the passcode, use Forgot Passcode and your Apple ID to reset. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13. 4 or later for Apple ID-based recovery. If the device belongs to a child, ask the Family Organizer to approve disabling downtime. Ensure you know the Apple ID email and password before attempting recovery. Tap Downtime, then toggle Turn Off Downtime to disable it immediately. Confirm the change by entering the Screen Time passcode if the device asks. If the passcode is unknown, select Forgot Passcode and follow the Apple ID prompts. Parents can disable downtime from their device when using Family Sharing and Family Organizer privileges. After turning off downtime, apps and notifications return to normal access immediately. Restart the iPhone if settings do not update after toggling downtime off. Use Forgot Passcode. Sign in with the Apple ID tied to Screen Time to reset. Follow on-screen steps to create a new Screen Time passcode after verification. If reset fails because you lack the Apple ID, you must erase and restore the iPhone from backup. Connect the device to a computer or use settings to erase all content and settings. Always back up to iCloud or a computer before erasing to preserve data. After restore, set the Screen Time passcode carefully and record it for future access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.